Welcome. I want to introduce you to Pebble Stream Zen. But first, watch me run this spreadsheet as a process. Pebble Stream computed each worksheet, following the arrows indicated in this graph. It built this graph after analyzing the spreadsheet. Let's dig in. Take a look at BOP ratios. PebbleScript generated this worksheet. This figures out the sharing ratios for all of the partners across partnerships. Let's look at capital adjustments. This tells Excel to drag down capital adjustment to match partner allocation. PebbleScript is versatile. Let's look at the validations worksheet. This stops Excel if a failure occurs. How about more complicated computations? Let's look at the Analytics tab. Just 7 lines of PebbleScript to compute group sums, averages, and more. Want to learn how to run your spreadsheet as a cloud process? Contact us.